Do you know that some people make thousands of dollars without ever creating a product? That is called affiliate marketing. And in this video, I want to teach you exactly how you can also make money from affiliate marketing without ever creating your own product. Let's dive in. So this video is basically about how to make money from affiliate marketing, how to make money from other people's products. And I tell you, some people will ask and say, can a beginner make money from affiliate programs? Of course you can. I have immense experience with the Amazon affiliate program, and I can tell you that a beginner can do it. And it's also worth it. The money you make is worth it from affiliate marketing, because you are not stressing yourself to create a product. You don't need any inventory. You sometimes even don't need a website. You can do it without a website or blog or whatever. There are so many platforms you can use to earn money from the affiliate products you sign up for. So I will break it into detail, and if you've got questions at the end of the video, just let me know in the comments. But stick around with me because we are going somewhere. So the first thing I want to talk about is, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing means you promote someone else's product and someone buys through your link and you earn a commission. It's like, I have a product and you sign for my product to promote it. And when you promote it and someone buys through your link, you get a commission. So that is basically what affiliate marketing is. So how does affiliate marketing work? The first step is to join an affiliate program. There are so many affiliate programs out there, but I'll mention some. ClickBank, Amazon Associates, and Impact. There are so many out there that you can also look out for and sign up for. The second step to starting your affiliate marketing business is to get your unique affiliate link. Your unique affiliate link is what will make the owner of the product know that you are the one that sold the product, and so they will give you that commission. It is unique to you. Nobody can have it. Okay, the third thing is promote the product and earn commissions. It's as simple as that, but don't take it like that. It's simple. It might not be simple for some people, but I tell you, you can learn, because on this channel we always tell ourselves that anything can be figured out. And so if you have that mindset, you can also get it, and so you can do it. So those are the 3 steps. Join an affiliate program, get your affiliate link, and promote and earn your commissions. So what are the best affiliate programs for beginners? Let me list some to enable you know what's out there. So Amazon Associates, it's easy to start, but the commissions are low, to be honest. But it does build up if you sell a lot of their products. Okay, the next one is ClickBank and Digistore 24. ClickBank and Digistore 24. Those are digital products with high commissions. Okay, with Amazon, they are physical products. They are physical products that you sell. Now, for Share a Sale and Impact, they are great for bloggers and content creators. Share a Sale and Impact are great for content creators and bloggers. And you can also partner with SaaS companies. SaaS companies are basically software as a service companies, and they have apps for sale, and you can partner with them and sell for them. It's recurring commissions from software tools, so you begin to get recurring commissions. For instance, you could see an app that regulates body temperature, and you say, okay, I want to market for you, and so you get what? Recurring commissions from that app that you are selling for that company. It's not your app, but you are selling for them for a commission. I believe you understand what I have said so far. Now, so the next thing is how to pick the right products. How do you pick the right products as a beginner in Amazon, in affiliate marketing, in affiliate marketing in general? Okay, so the thing is, choose products that solve a problem. You know, if you choose a product that solves a problem, you won't even beg people to buy. They will rush because they have a problem that they need to be solved. And so choose a product that solves a problem, that solves a need, that they just need that solution, and so no need to beg them. Next, choose a product that has high demand. Some products are in high demand. Go out and look for such. And then choose a product that offers good commission. The commission should be sweet, the commission should be good, and go ahead and get that product and begin to promote it. So for the partnering with the SaaS companies, one example I can give off the top of my head is a finance YouTube channel that is promoting budgeting apps or investment platforms. That's an example of partnering with SaaS companies. Basically, your channel is there and you are partnering with that SaaS company to sell their apps or their investment platforms. Okay, now let's move on to free and paid ways to promote your affiliate links. So how do you promote that link they have given you to make sure that money comes into your account? How do you promote? Free methods first. The first free method I want to talk about is TikTok and Instagram Reels. Okay, you can have short content with a call to action. So you can use TikTok and Instagram Reels, just short content with a call to action. Next, you can use blogging and SEO for long-term efforts. You use blogging and SEO for long-term efforts. It's a long-term method anyway. Then you can use YouTube. You can use product reviews, tutorials, and listicle videos. You can list in the video. You can make reviews, product reviews, talk about the product, the pros and cons, why people should buy, compare it to other products, product reviews basically, but you are doing it on YouTube. And last but not the least, for the free methods, you can use Reddit and Quora. You can answer questions and give people value. You are going to establish yourself as an authority in that space on Reddit and Quora, so that people will come to see you as an authority and you can sell based on that. Once you can establish yourself as an authority, as someone to be respected in that space, people will come asking you for the products you sell, and you can then sell without without any tactic that is not allowed, right? Okay. So now the paid methods. The paid methods basically involve Facebook and Google ads for scaling your income. You can do Facebook ads and Google ads to scale, because you have used free to get to a certain level, and that free may not take you to another level. So you have to put in money, invest money that you have earned from the free methods to scale your efforts. And then the next one is influencer shout outs. You can have an influencer shout about the product and then put your link there. Influencer shout outs can also help to scale your income. Now let's go to the common mistakes that beginners make. Common mistakes that beginners make. Spamming your links everywhere. It's not allowed. It's a big mistake. And if you do that, your links will be removed and no sales for you, because the owners of the websites or the forums or the network you are spamming your links with will remove you. Sometimes they will even remove you as a member, aside from removing your links. So don't make that mistake. Also, choosing random products instead of solving problems. I told you, when you want to choose a product that is in demand, choose a product that you are convinced about, that you know you can sell. And then, so don't just go choosing random products instead of solving a problem. Choose products that can solve a problem. Where the shoe pinches for people, choose a product like that. Now the next mistake they make is not building trust or an audience. You need to build an audience. You need to build trust. It matters for your affiliate marketing efforts. So how do you scale your affiliate income? How do you scale your affiliate efforts? The first thing is create your own email list. Build an email list. Collect emails and nurture your leads. Over time, they will convert into paying customers. The next thing to do is create your own website or blog. You can't always rely on free platforms. You have to mature and grow up into creating your own website or blog. And then last but not the least, to scale your income is use automation and AI tools to streamline content creation. Content creation is a hassle, it's a big deal. And so if you can use AI tools or automation to scale your efforts, it will help you immensely. Now, start today by signing up for an affiliate program. Drop a comment if you want more tips and subscribe for more money making strategies.